guys, what is up? It is me Misha. If you have not seen my face before, hit that subscribe button down below, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel.
Make it on my own, but I don't wanna grow up. We can stay forever young.
What do you think is the
For today's video, I am doing my birthday haul, which means in this video, I'm going to show you guys everything I got for my birthday from my friends and family. There are gonna be two parts of this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to check out my social medias. They are always linked in the description box down below. And now, without any further ado, let's get straight on to the video. My family, my cousin got me some really good clothes. I got these clothes before my birthday, so like some of these gifts were given to me before my birthday and some of them were given to me after my birthday. So yeah, anyways, first thing my cousin got me is this beautiful pink shirt. It has white and pink stripes on it, and if you guys don't know me, I absolutely And if you guys don't know me, I absolutely love striped things. Like, I am so down for anything striped. So yeah, it is so cute, oversized, just my type, and it has also got a pocket in the front. The dress I wore on my birthday was also given by him. This is the dress I wore on my birthday. It's so pretty. It's in black color, my favorite. I love it. I just absolutely love it. So like, he actually has his own fashion line. I think it's not released yet, I don't know, but like he sells some good variety clothes, combination of Eastern and Western, and not only that, but in a very affordable price. So you guys should definitely check it out. I think it's called trends.pk. I'll confirm it and then let you guys know. You guys should definitely check it out. So that was what he got me. Moving on to what my mama got me. So my mama got me this very beautiful leggings, tights, whatever you call it, and not only just simple legging, but it's also striped. You know my love for striped things. I love them. My mama also got me this beautiful. I actually took it from her. I was like, give it to me. It should be my birthday gift. So like I took it from her, and then she was like, okay, I'm wearing it right now. Okay, so the last thing she got me. Oh my god. Okay. You know what? I am currently obsessed with Air Force One, and I'm like, I love them so much and I wanted them for so long. Obviously I cannot afford the real ones, they're like so expensive, but like I wanted the copy ones and I've been like looking for them everywhere. And then when my birthday was coming, I thought it was the perfect time to ask for it, and my mama asked me like, tumhe kya chahiye? So I said like, buy me Nike AF1, and she is so sweet. She's such a gem. She got me Nike AF1. Like, these are my brother's, by the way. I cannot find mine right now, so like I'm showing my brother's shoes, but like I got the same pair. So like, oh my god, I got oh my god, yeah, I was so happy. Like, I hope one day I'll be rich enough to afford the real ones, but like for now, fake it till you make it. So moving on to what I got myself. It was my birthday and I like to treat myself, spoil myself on my own birthday. So I got myself another pair of jeans, and they are also striped. They have rips in them. You guys can see, right? Yeah, and it has black and white stripes on it. So like, woo! I love that. Was so 2016. I also got myself another pair of shoes. These are just basic white Nike shoes. Moving on to what my best friend got me. My best friend Fizza gave me this like beautiful goodie pack, and inside these goodie bags there are like different gifts. Today I'm in like a really chilly milly vibe. So the first thing she gave me was this beautiful showpiece, and inside it there is a keychain which says I love you, which means I love you. So girl, I love you too. I love you so much. You're my baby. You just know how much I love you. So hearts for you. Everyone go follow her on her Instagram. Her username is Fizza on the screen right now. Go give her a follow. I was so happy when I saw these pictures, like, oh my god. So she gave me these two pictures. This is a picture of us at Carnival from 2015, and this is a picture of us at Super Space from 2019, like this year. So this was us in 2015, and this is us right now in 2019. So like, Oh my god. She also got me this beautiful eyeshadow palette. She also got me some eyelashes. She also got me this liquid eyeshadow. And the last thing she got me, I wanted it for so long. If you guys don't know, I just love gray and blue eyes. They attract me so much. I'm so down for, like, I have a bad obsession with gray and blue eyes. I just love them so much. I have brown eyes. They are so beautiful, but like I love gray eyes. So she got me gray eyes. Just kidding. She got me gray lenses. You guys. That was all what she got me, and like thank you so much, girl. Oh my god, I forgot to show you one thing. I also bought myself a mini hair straightener from darya. Let me get it. It is really good. It works really well. Okay, so that was all I got from everyone, my friends, my family, my cousins, and everyone. But the one thing that I absolutely love, it's rude to say that, oh my god, I shouldn't say that, like I loved everything I got, but like what my dad got me was like like I wanted it for like forever. My dad got me a freaking ring light. Like should stop. I'm being so cringy. Oh my god. And I should stop looking in the mirror. Oh, like now I can film my videos anytime I want at night, at daytime. Like I can film anytime I want. So like I'm so thankful. Stop being dramatic. Okay, let me show you the quality with the ring light and without the ring light. So this is with the ring light and this is without the ring light. So you see, this is without the ring light. I am thankful to everyone who got me these gifts. Like I'm so thankful, so grateful for everything. So yeah. Now let's move on to the darya vlog.
Hey guys, what is up? It's me Misha. Today is 21st December and we are finally going to दो दरिया. तो हमारा प्लान था दो दरिया जाने का मेरी बर्थडे पे, लेकिन तब से कैंसिल होते होते यहाँ तक पहुँचा है और इसी की वजह से मैंने अपना बर्थडे व्लॉग भी अपलोड नहीं किया क्योंकि मुझे ये इंक्लूड करना था. खैर एनीवेज, अभी हम जा रहे हैं. मैं तैयार हो चुकी हूँ. दिस इज़ माई मेकअप. माई हाईलाइटर इज पॉपिंग. क्या मैंने वही सेम बर्थडे का आउटफिट पहना है क्योंकि मुझे बर्थडे के लिए पिक्चर्स भी चाहिए थी. तो हम जा रहे हैं. I'll see you guys later. Soon.
I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it is freaking cold and I'm freezing. We are currently deciding बहुत सर्दी हो रही है. Hello. Say hi. Hello. Say hi. अच्छी पिक्चर्स आ रही है. Hi. Very lame. पहले बताओ काला का क्या है? अबे लाइट है यार. लाइट है? हाँ. वो शैडो ऐसा लग रहा है.
Okay, so it's like so freaking cold. तो जो है थैंक गॉड के मैं अपने साथ ये स्वेटर लेकर आई हूँ. यार जब ज़्यादा सर्दी होती है तो ना मेरे हाथ फ्रीज हो जाते हैं और मेरे कानों में दर्द शुरू होता है. मेरे कानों में दर्द नहीं हो रहा लेकिन मेरे हाथ फ्रीज हो चुके हैं. लाइक
Hi cutie pie, I love you so much. So we have ordered our food. I ordered Alfredo pasta as always.
There you are.
It's so
I'm not talking about you, I'm talking about that bata.
हमारा खाना आ चुका है. I ordered pasta for me. They're eating mandi and what's that? Fried fish and stuff. So hello.
हेलो हेलो
आपकी भी तो मुन्नी बाजी जैसी
हेलो हेलो
चले उठे
Okay guys, so we have finished eating and now we are about to leave. Hey guys, so I am back at my home. I took off my makeup because अगर मैं अभी नहीं उतारती तो फिर मैं कभी नहीं उतारती हूँ. Makeup के साथ सोना is like really bad. And I'm hacking tired. So yeah, this is it for my Darya vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys. Bye.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it. If you really did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Check out my social medias at Mishita Khan. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace.